How's everybody doing today? This is Wert here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2024. Just about 2 days before Halloween. Current time's now 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Temperature is in the 70s under mostly sunny skies with a little bit clouds. Guess what, everybody? We got an eastbound train. We got an eastbound getting ready to proceed from Adams to Cole on the main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. I'm here at Holigan somewhere around crossing at milepost 283.8. We're by the main road terminal located about 3 miles east of Lima, Ohio. This could be an eastbound train. From Adams to Cole on main track proceeding from Fort Wayne to Lima on the CFE main track. Just to the east of me here. Signal should probably get ready to start probably in just about 30 seconds. I hope everybody had a great Halloween so far. Everybody's Halloween went pretty great this year. It was kind of fun, wasn't it? I know, folks, this year's going pretty fast though. We got 2 more months left until 2025 though. It's going pretty fast though. Sorry, folks, that's just pushing my camera because we have a little bit of winds out here today. A little bit windy conditions out here today. Don't worry, folks. He's coming. He'll be here in just about a minute. I can hear him coming, though. I can hear that roar. He's coming. That's him, man. That's his horn, baby. He's coming, baby. This probably be like a CFE RCPE train. So should probably get ready to start in probably less than 10 seconds. Cause I can hear him coming. I can hear that roar. He's coming. I can hear him coming, man. You hear that roar? He's coming. Across the tracks. Look, there goes the signals. All right, everybody, here he comes. Here comes the eastbound. He comes, I can hear the roar, I can hear the roar of that train, baby. Look, here he comes, I can hear the roar, baby. Here he comes, baby. 70, 70, 70, 25. I'm here at Holigan Road Crossing. Here at milepost 23.8, nearby the Wert terminal, located about 3 miles east of Wert, Ohio. Spinning an eastbound CFE, RCPE, grain, rail, mixed freight, and steel train. It's an eastbound. It's headed to Lima. This came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, everyone, this is spinning eastbound. Please proceed from Adams to Cole on the main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Guess what, folks? Those are the same units that I got about a few days ago. Yeah, linear 170.25 with a 78.72 with a RCPE 2086. This has been an eastbound. Proceed from Adams to Cole on main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne to Lima. You're on the CFE main track. You're on the east side of Wert here. Well, everybody, I hope you really enjoyed that train. I'll get more trains again soon. Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give a like, give it a comment, what you think about the trains on the railroad and all those roads and everybody out there. You all have a good day, and all be careful out there. Y'all have yourself a happy Halloween since we're only 2 days away. I know this year's going pretty fast, though. I hope I really enjoyed today's train video. Get me sent to the Cold Street Center, which is in Lima. It's got a couple of towns to pass through here to get to Lima, though. Yep. So, happy Halloween. All right, thank you. And happy Halloween. All right, thank you. Bye.